Hello and welcome. My name is Emily, and I'm really happy you're here today.
If you're learning English and you want to speak more naturally, more confidently, in this video, we'll talk about why speaking English feels difficult for many learners, and how you can start improving today, step by step. Relax. Take a deep breath. Let me ask you something. Have you been learning English for years, but you still feel uncomfortable speaking?
If this sounds familiar, don't worry.
You are definitely not alone. I've worked with thousands of English learners, and I've seen the same struggle again and again. Today, I want to explain 3 main reasons why many people get stuck. And more importantly, I'll show you simple solutions that really work. If you stay with me until the end, I'll also share one small daily habit. It only takes 5 minutes, but it can completely change how you speak English. Reason 1: fear. The first and biggest obstacle is fear. Most people think they can't speak English, but the truth is different. Imagine a barrier between your thoughts and your voice. Inside your mind, you know the words. Fear of mistakes, fear of bad pronunciation. I remember when I started learning a foreign language myself. I studied hard. I memorized vocabulary. This fear is very common. And the first step is understanding this. Fear is normal, and it can be overcome. Reason 2: perfectionism. The second problem is perfectionism. Many learners want every sentence to be perfect grammar. But perfection is the enemy of progress. Let me give you an example. I once had a student who understood English very well. When I asked him why, he said, "I think too much before speaking." By the time he felt ready, the conversation was already over. Language is not an exam. It's not about perfect answers. Think about how children learn. They fall, they make mistakes. Think about how children learn. They fall, they make mistakes. The same rule applies to English. A simple, imperfect sentence is better than silence. Communication matters more than correctness. Reason 3: too much input, not enough output. The third reason is how people study. Many learners only focus on input. They read. All of this is useful, but it's not enough. Output is what really builds speaking skills. Output means producing the language. Think about learning to swim. You can read books about swimming. Speaking English works the same way. Your mouth and tongue need training.
If you never speak, your brain and mouth don't connect. How to start speaking.
Now, let's talk about solutions.
The first and easiest method is talking to yourself. You don't need a partner. You don't need confidence. When you wake up, describe your morning. When you eat, talk about your food. Use simple words, short sentences. This builds a strong connection between your thoughts and your voice. The second solution is finding a language partner. Thanks to the internet, this is easier than ever. The third solution is using English in real situations. Start small. Each small success builds confidence. Final message. Let's review. The three main problems are fear, perfectionism, too much input and not enough output. And the solutions are simple. Talk to yourself. Practice with others. Use English in daily life. The most powerful habit is talking to yourself. It's free. Just 5 minutes a day is enough to begin. Over time, those minutes add up. And soon, you'll notice a real change in how you speak. Before you go, I have one small request. If this video helped you, or if you enjoyed practicing English with us, subscribe to the channel. We post new English listening and speaking practice regularly to help you feel more confident every day. Don't forget to like the video and turn on notifications. Thank you for learning with us today. Keep practicing. English #1.